welcome to another airsofting video from the Woodland Warriors NL. Today we finally received the mystery box from Modern Airsoft, which we already bought at Black Friday, which is a long time ago. We had some troubles shipping it to our place.
Yeah, FedEx wasn't as cooperative as we thought, and they sent it back to the States. So they sent it with USPS now this time, and no problems.
Yeah, so now it finally arrives today on my dad's birthday.
Yeah.
So he's going to do the unboxing for you guys today.
Oh, okay.
I would say open it up.
I see a lot of people using some strange things to open the box, but I've got my trusty Leatherman here, and that will do perfectly, I hope. So let's try it. Just see where it opens, because I don't want to damage anything. And it's much sharper than a toothbrush.
Nope.
Oh, nice. Oh, my picture. Because if they ship to the Netherlands, you need a copy of your license for airsoft. Yeah, we need a license here. So they have to put it in the package, so the customs know that I'm allowed to import it here. First of all, I see a nice box. I think we use that for the last thing, because that's really nice. And we got a small gift. It's a small speed loader from Lancer Tactical. And a lot of paper wrapping stuff. Oh, the customs even opened this to check what my mystery gift is. So thank you, customs, for opening up my mystery gift. And then they checked, and we got here a big bag of 0.2 5,000 bio BBs. That's good, because yeah, we only use bio BBs here. And now we have a big box here. We take it out. Just throw that one away, it's empty. And it says, with big letters on it, Lancer Tactical Gen 2. So we'll open it up. Oh, I turn it around so you can see it also. The first glimpse. Here's a small Lancer instruction manual, or page with what kind they all have. And let's take it away. Ooh, it's a nice. Oh, hey, look, with a patch, and it's tan colored. It's a Lancer Tactical LT 19, I think. Yeah, 19 Gen 2. So it's a very yeah, it feels metal-like. But here, try this one.
Yeah, the handguard is definitely metal. And the outer barrel feels metal as well. Lower is metal, pistol grip and the stock are plastic. Extendable stock.
Yep. Watch out. Or is it, or it's not orange anymore. And I see here a metal mag. It looks like a mid cap to me.
Yeah, no wheel at the bottom, so it's a mid cap for changes.
Yeah.
Most of the times you get a high cap with the weapons you receive, but this time they say mid caps.
And here are some flip-up sights, also in tan color. So, not bad at all.
No.
And a bag of .2 BBs from Lancer Tactical. And I think there should be a jamming rod in the box. Of course. Well, I put it back here. Hopefully we don't have to use it. So, this is a very nice piece.
Yeah. The Lancer Tactical LT19, the second generation.
Yeah. It's not very heavy, so it's a really nice gun for if you go to airsoft for.
Yeah. Looks pretty nice. The weight is quite good. Not too heavy, not too light.
Yeah.
Also got some rails on the front already. And some key mod systems on both sides. And on the lower side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Want to put the sides on?
Yeah, we can show the sights on when we're finished, because I want to see what's in that box.
Okay.
That's what I want to see.
Then we'll continue to that one.
Oh yeah, and a nice Lancer Tactical patch. And we got still space left, so we'll hang it up later on. So first, close this up and put it to the side.
Now, let's see what we have here. It's an EMG.
I think I know what it is.
Terran Tactical Innovations.
STI?
TTI, I believe.
Yeah, take it up. Oh yeah. Yep. It's the John Wick combat machine. GW3. The Combat Master. Great. Nice piece for in the display here.
Sure is.
And with a gas mag. So double stack. So it's quite heavy. The mag release is with this gun, it sticks out like a big pimple, but it's great. It's very easy to release it. It's a very nice piece. And it weighs, I think it's maybe more than 1 kilo. Really. It weighs a lot with the mag inside. So look at this. Very nice. Yeah, that comes to our collection. Yeah, try it.
It's
It is.
heavy. It's very heavy.
Yeah, the gas mag is also a lot of heavy.
Nice fiber green optics on the front.
Yeah, it has an orange nose because we ordered it from the States, but I don't think that will be on for long.
We can take it off. Should we take this off?
Yeah, we can take that off. If you don't scratch the paint.
Little warning sticker.
And here is the license. Always with these models, you get a card with it. Did you know? You have the real one.
So guys, this is the EMG Terran Tactical Innovations, the John Wick edition of the Combat Master.
John Wick 3, 2011.
It has some really cool design on the grips.
Safety with your hand, with your palm here.
Oh yeah, yeah. The safety is here on the back side.
Yeah.
And you also got a nice Bronson outer barrel.
Yeah. Yeah,
really cool pistol.
This is really a a nice one to have. I really wanted a kind of this one from John Wick, and I know there is a nice box, a wooden box also, like the M1 Garand that we got, and I think I will get the box where we can put this one in, and this display is really nice. So when it arrives, you will see the end picture, how we if we do a whole walk through what we have. Next time you see him laying in one of those wooden boxes. It's a really nice display piece.
So guys, that's it for this week's unboxing video. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please leave a like. Subscribe to my channel for more airsofting content coming up in the future. And I hope I will see you on the next video.